Meaning of From Here to Eternity.
From here to eternity.
From here to eternity.
From here to eternity.
From here to eternity. From here to eternity is a phrase used to describe a seemingly endless amount of time or distance. The title comes from the 1951 novel by James Jones and subsequent film adaptation, which follows the lives of soldiers stationed in Hawaii just before the attack on Pearl Harbor. The story explores themes of love, loyalty, and the struggle to maintain personal integrity in a rigid military culture. From Here to Eternity has become a cultural touchstone, representing the endurance of human spirit and the indomitable nature of the human experience in the face of overwhelming challenges.